We all have studied about article in the last lecture. Now let us learn about determiners. A determiner is used before a noun to specify the quantity, the particular quantity. For example, one dog, many dogs. To clarify what the noun refers to. For example, my dog, that dog, the dog. All determiners can be classified as one of the following: as an article, a and the; demonstrative, this, that, these, those; possessive, my, your, his, her, its, our, their; quantifier, many, much, more, most, some. Now, when we talk about articles, we have determiners as a and the, zero. When we talk about possessiveness is something which claims this that who this thing belongs to. For instance, this is my glass, this is your glass, this is his glass, her, it's our glass, it's it's their class, right? Then we have quantifiers with countable items. Quantifiers we use in order to quantify something, right? These all are mine, each of you will stand here. Can you lend me few coins? Can you lend me a few coin? Many of you do not understand the concept. Most of you do these kind of mistakes again and again. I've told you several times. So this is how we use quantifiers, right? In order to not to talk about the specific numeric value, but to show the degree of something which we can quantify. Numerals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, thousands, etc. Then we have ordinals, first, second, third, fourth. Then we have demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Quantifiers, with uncountable noun we have a little, little, enough, much, some. Sometimes I think that. It means sometimes I think about this particular thing, but something which I cannot quantify, right? Something which I cannot give a numeric value to. Now, let us understand the determiners in a sentence. When we talk about articles, the man is behaving so strangely. When we talk about quantifiers, can I eat some rice? He was our most famous president. We ate all the food. When we talk about demonstratives, these apples are good. Those mangoes are rotten. That place is so crowded. When we talk about numericals, these are 3 dogs in the street. Each team consists of 11 players. If we talk about possessiveness, his father is out of the city. Do you know its functions? Are you going to their house? It's my book. If we talk about ordinal, they invited me to a second interview. Now, we have to fill up the following blanks with the correct determiner. For first sentence, I would like to ask few, a few, or the few. I would like to ask a few questions. I didn't find anyone there. Very politicians are honest. Very few politicians are honest. Not a few. Very few politicians are honest. Only a few politicians are honest. Why we have used a few here? Because we are talking about only a few politicians are honest. We are talking about only some of the politicians who are honest. So these are all about the determiners. How do we use it? Determiners again are the important factor when we are preparing for IELTS, because again, when we study about grammar, grammar is the top most important aspect to study for IELTS exam, because we have a band descriptor and we do have a band increment, and band can also be decreased if we are using grammar incorrectly. So make sure we use all of the determiners correctly. When we use determiners, we automatically get to know if we are using the wrong determiner or a correct determiner, because incorrect determiner, it doesn't even fit into the sentence.